Hey, what's going on, everyone? Hey, listen, if you're still digging through half-crushed cardboard boxes for a trash bag or a dishwasher pod, you're losing the efficiency game in your own kitchen. This is the iCASA 5-in-1 home organizer, and I want to tell you everything you need to know before you buy. Now, this 5-in-1 set is made from thick, high-quality acrylic with a natural bamboo lid that actually looks premium. You get one massive dispenser for your bulk store trash bag rolls and 4 modular containers, 2 medium and 2 small for everything else. Now, the real return on investment here is visual inventory. You can see exactly when you're low on dishwasher pods or laundry scent beads before you run out. The trash bag dispenser is the star. It fits those giant rolls from big box stores and has a wide slot so bags slide out one at a time without snagging. It's also stackable and modular, so you can fit it into narrow cabinets or use the smaller bins for sponges and dryer balls in the laundry room. It even comes with grippy feet to keep everything from sliding around on slippery cabinet liners. Now, one thing to keep in mind is the smaller pods are great for daily use items, but they won't hold a massive 90 count bag of laundry pods all at once. You'll see here that I have 60 in the smaller pod. And honestly, the time saved by having everything accessible in one spot is worth the upgrade. So if you're ready to reclaim your cabinet space, I'd consider putting this iCASA 5-in-1 system on your list to check out.